Don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Good boy. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to another fruity fresh look. Today's look was inspired by strawberries. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so my brows are on. I'll link that video in the cards above. But first I am going to start priming my lids with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And I'm setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Now with the fluffy brush, I am blending Hard Place all over my crease. Before I go any further, actually, I'm going to lay some tape down to have some nice clean edges. Smaller brush, I'm taking the shade Garnet from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette and buffing that just a little bit lower in my crease. Now I'm taking Brick Road just to brighten things up a little bit more. And now I'm going to do that same thing on this eye. Now that that eye is done, I am going to cut my crease with that same Milani concealer. I'm just gonna blend the concealer all over the inner half of my lid now with a flat brush. Now I'm setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder again. Making sure that any creases are patted out first. Now with the shade Sugar from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion Blush Trio, I'm going to pack that all over where we just put that concealer. Taking Hard Place again with my finger and packing that on the outer corner of my lid. Blending out those edges. And now using my finger again, I'm going to take Sandbar on the very center of my lid. And blending that out with a brush again. Using my NYX Extreme Shine liner in Esmerelda, I'm going to give myself a nice wing. Hopping back into the So Jaded palette, I'm taking the shade Emerald to set that liner in place. I'm highlighting my brow bone with my Precious. The NYX Glitter Primer and the Colourpop Pressed Glitter and Band Tee, I am going to line my cut crease. First laying down the glue, and then packing the glitter on top of the glue. I'm gonna remove this tape and clean up any other fallout. Now using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, I'm gonna use that to fill in my pores a little bit. Now I'm using the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. Now I'm concealing my under eyes and any other face demons with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Now before that concealer has a chance to crease, I am setting it in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Gonna add some definition into my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. Hitting my cheekbones with the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek and Stole the Show. I don't know why I just went in with highlighter, but now I'm gonna bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Using that same ABH blush. And now, when I usually highlight, I'm gonna highlight with my Essence Pure Nude highlighter and Be My Highlight, focusing that on the high points of my face, like the cheeks, the nose, the cupid's bow. And I'm also gonna pop that on my inner corner. Alrighty, for lips, I'm lining them with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. I'm just topping that with a little bit of the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. Redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. And to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna buff Hard Place on my lower lash line. And blending that out with the ABH blush. And now I'm putting a little bit of this Bitzy Nail and Body Glitter in Stardust White on my inner corner with the NYX Glitter Primer. Curling my lashes and popping on a little bit of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. I'm gonna pop on some Ardell Wispies with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive and I'll be right back. Alright, lashes are on and that's the finished look.